One promise keeps getting repeated by big pizza brands: freshly made every day. But several chains pushing that message are the same ones failing the quality tests that matter most. Thin crusts collapse under their own oil, and baked at home for freshness often means bland or uneven results. We're unpacking the biggest myths these chains sell and revealing the few that actually deliver what their marketing claims. Number 1, Little Caesars. You see that $5 sign and think you found the deal of the century. It's hot, fast, and ready before you even buckle your seatbelt. That kind of convenience sounds harmless, until you know what's traded for it. Cheap dough often means bulk flour mixes that taste like cardboard, and the cheese barely melts because it isn't truly dairy-rich. The sauce leans salty to distract from flat flavor. All that speed comes from pre-prepped ingredients that sit longer than you'd expect. It's not just a quick meal, it's a system built on shaving seconds and pennies. Here's the kicker. Every time you reach for that easy slice, the savings come straight out of taste and nutrition. You're not saving. You're downgrading your slice without realizing it. Number 2, Domino's, certain locations. Domino's spent years rebuilding its image, promising tastier crusts and fresher toppings. Many customers bought in, believing the reboot fixed what was wrong. But that trust doesn't always hold up once you step into the wrong store. Some locations serve crusts that bake unevenly. Crispy one bite, doughy the next. Others pile cheese on one slice and forget the rest. These aren't random slip-ups. They're symptoms of a franchise system where training, ovens, and prep habits vary wildly. One city swears the pizza's near perfect, while another says it's like eating a box lid. That gap exposes the real flaw. Messaging built for consistency in a chain that runs on difference. A national recipe doesn't mean a national standard. Number 3, Papa John's. Better ingredients, better pizza. That line sold the idea that quality begins at the source. But blind taste tests and nutrition reviews tell a different story. Many of those better ingredients rely on additives and salt-heavy sauces built to boost shelf life, not flavor. Even after removing some artificial colors, certain dipping sauces still use preservatives that undercut the freshness claim. And critics say bland toppings and greasy dough started showing up once suppliers changed. The brand's promise of purity ends up trimmed by cost and convenience. Those 3 words once sounded like a personal guarantee. Now they feel like a marketing patch, covering cheap shortcuts. When your slogan has to do the heavy lifting, something's off in the kitchen. Number 4, Chuck E. Cheese. For decades, Chuck E. Cheese sold more than slices. It sold childhood itself. The flashing lights and arcade sounds built memories parents paid for without thinking about what was on the plate. But nostalgia hides what reviewers keep calling out. Limp crusts, watered-down sauce, and cheese that tastes more imitation than dairy. The kitchen serves background food for front-row fun. When the goal is quick refills between games, flavor doesn't stand a chance. Years of low taste ratings drop the chain near the bottom of national rankings, yet the birthday bookings keep rolling in. Families aren't paying for pizza. They're paying to stop arguments and start the party. The fun may be fresh, but the pizza reputation isn't. Number 5, Sparrow. Sparrow once ruled the food court. A big display of New York-style slices kept shoppers moving and lunch lines short. It worked when malls were packed and ovens ran nonstop. But as costs went up and crowds thinned, freshness slipped into fatigue. Instead of dough rolled on site, many stores leaned on pre-made bases sitting under heat lamps. Those slices looked shiny behind glass but often turned rubbery fast. The sauce carried more salt than flavor, masking stale notes that built through the day. The shortcut showed in every bite. When production turns into reheating, retail pizza starts tasting like warehouse output. That glowing display case hides a tired kitchen story. Number 6, Pizza Inn. Pizza Inn built its name on family buffets loaded with endless pans of pizza. It worked when diners wanted variety over precision, but as expectations shifted toward fresher, higher quality food, that volume-driven model started to show cracks. Customers began noticing sauce that lacked seasoning, dough reused across styles, and slices that never tasted the same twice. Buffet lines meant pizzas sitting out under lamps, where texture and temperature broke down fast. Each step away from oven timing meant more cheese congealing and less real flavor. What used to feel generous now feels careless. Nostalgia doesn't rebuild trust when everything's made in bulk and nothing feels intentional. When everything's made for everyone, nothing ends up made well. Number 7. Cece's Pizza. Unlimited pizza sounds perfect when you're feeding a family on a budget. Cece's turns that promise into an all-you-can-eat spread, but the trade-off shows up fast when you actually taste it. Underbaked crust, bland sauce, and cheese that melts into clumps instead of stretching. These options fill the tray, not your appetite. Because every minute counts between refills, cooks rush pies through the line to keep choices flowing. Heat lamp turnover dries edges and dulls flavor, while the next batch starts before the last one finishes. The buffet pushes quantity as proof of value, but that speed strips away quality at the same rate. You walk out full but rarely satisfied. You get all you can eat, but almost nothing you actually want. Number 8. Godfather's Pizza. Godfather's built its reputation on loaded, heavy slices that feel like a full meal on their own. That density sells nostalgia, a throwback to thick dough, heaps of cheese, and toppings stacked high. But behind that comfort is a quiet problem. A single slice can carry the salt and calories of an entire dinner. Those generous layers depend on pre-shredded cheese blends and sauces stabilized with sodium preservatives. The prep system hasn't evolved much, so flavor relies on salt and fat instead of freshness. Loyal customers call it classic, yet that fondness blurs the signs of over-processed ingredients. Richness without real freshness wears you down bite by bite. The heaviness lingers longer than satisfaction. A thick slice isn't always a full experience. Number 9. Round Table Pizza. Round Table Pizza calls itself pizza royalty, built on the idea of a richer, more premium bite. But many customers say the flavor doesn't match the title. Reviews keep pointing to crusts soaked in grease and sauces so salty they overpower the toppings. Quality swings by region. In one town, the pizza tastes close to the brand's promise. In another, it's heavy and flat. That unevenness traces back to how mid-tier chains stretch their systems, expanding fast while recipe control slips behind. Royal branding raises expectations the kitchen can't always meet. Here's the truth. Fancy language can't smooth over inconsistency. When execution changes from store to store, the crown starts to wobble. Crowns fade fast when the crust can't hold up. Number 1. Blaze Pizza. Blaze Pizza flipped the chain model by handing you control of every step. You build your pizza like an assembly line, and nothing hides behind a wall. You see the dough, the toppings, the sauce, each choice right in front of you. That openness rebuilds confidence most chains lost through shortcuts and mystery prep. Each pie slides into a blazing hot oven running near artisan temperatures, which bakes real flavor into thin, crisp crusts within minutes. Fresh dough rotation means no leftover batches sitting for days. Reviewers note cleaner ingredient lists. Less filler, fewer preservatives, better texture. This setup proves speed and quality don't have to fight each other. When transparency meets care, the result earns genuine trust. When you can see what goes in, you eat with confidence. Number 2. Mod Pizza. Mod Pizza sells the idea of freedom on a crust. Your pizza, your way. Unlimited toppings look like total control, but that freedom creates a risk of chaos. Many customers stack too much, yet the chain's steady dough formula and short bake time usually save it from collapse. Heat, consistency, and training protect flavor where variety might wreck it. Behind the counter, Mod also pushes standards that focus on clean sourcing and fair practices. Those choices matter when cost pressure tempts shortcuts. The brand's social mission adds structure to its freedom message, grounding creativity in real oversight. In a market full of overpromised freshness, Mod works because its rules stay visible. Freedom works when the base stays strong. Number 3. California Pizza Kitchen. California Pizza Kitchen brands itself as a lighter, trendier take on pizza. Bright dining rooms, thin crusts, and toppings that sound like they belong in a farmer's market. The image feels fresh, but that California label sells perception more than reality. Some dishes do better, especially when you keep to veggie-heavy options with simple crusts. Others, loaded with creamy sauces or meats, carry sodium counts that rival fast food dinners. The same menu that promises balance can overshoot on salt and calories when choices stack up. Here's the truth. The health halo depends entirely on what lands on your plate. The fresh feel only holds when you build responsibly. The word California doesn't guarantee clean eating. It just sounds like it. Number 4. Marco's Pizza. Marco's Pizza stays under the radar while bigger brands shout for attention. Its success comes quietly from steady dough prep, measured topping ratios, and a focus on uniform baking. You taste structure instead of shortcuts, the kind that shows someone watched the oven instead of a timer. That reliable craft earns a mid-range reputation, built not on hype but on repeat customers who notice when every slice hits the same balance. Local loyalty grows because the brand keeps its process predictable. It doesn't chase trends or splashy ads, it just delivers what chains often fake. Consistency, here's the kicker. Quiet quality travels better than loud promises. A chain doesn't need flash to get flavor right. Number 5. Jet's Pizza. Jet's Pizza built its name on Detroit-style deep dish that actually stays crisp. That crunch isn't luck. It's the result of a kitchen system that refuses shortcuts. Each dough batch rests long enough to ferment, building structure and flavor before it meets the pan. When it bakes, oil lines the edges, sealing moisture inside instead of letting grease pool on top. The sauce layering comes next, added after baking so acidity stays bright. Even the cheese coverage follows exact ratios to avoid soggy spots. Every step favors control over speed, and that precision shows in the final bite. The corner crust snaps, the center holds firm, and nothing feels heavy. It's crunch that proves control matters more than claims. Number 6. Pizza Rev. Pizza Rev pushes speed to its limit with a system that fires your custom pie in just a few minutes. It's built around an ultra-hot oven and digital timing that keeps crusts crisp instead of scorched. That precision lets the heat seal flavor instead of cooking it off. Lower oil content keeps slices lighter, while the lineup of clean toppings avoids the heavy fillers common in bigger chains. But scaling that tech model isn't simple. It fits perfectly in airports and city hubs where space and time matter, yet remains unfamiliar in smaller towns. Here's the takeaway. You're seeing where chain pizza can go when innovation follows technique. Innovation can actually solve the freshness problem, if it's done carefully. Number 7. Lou Malnati's. Lou Malnati's comes straight from Chicago's deep dish tradition and keeps that heritage front and center. Each pie holds thick layers of real cheese, balanced crust, and chunky tomato sauce that still tastes fresh after baking. It's rich and satisfying, built on standards that resist mass production shortcuts. But deep dish doesn't easily fit modern health ideals. A single slice still carries weight in calories and fat, even if the ingredients stay honest. What saves it is transparency. Whole foods instead of fillers, butter instead of blends. Lou Malnati's limits its growth instead of chasing size, keeping tight control over process and suppliers. That restraint preserves trust because nothing gets diluted on the way to your plate. Sometimes staying small keeps quality big. Number 8. Mellow Mushroom. Mellow Mushroom built its brand on artsy vibes and local flair. Every store looks unique, loaded with murals and funky decor that promise craft and freshness. But once you look past the colors, that promise doesn't always hold. As the chain expanded, quality control stretched thin. Reviews call out dough that bakes tough, crusts turning chewy instead of crisp, and toppings that miss balance from one order to the next. What feels handmade in concept often lands uneven in reality. Ambiance can distract you from what's missing on the plate. Texture, taste, and consistency. The creative identity sells an experience, not accountability. A restaurant can feel local without staying loyal to flavor. A colorful menu doesn't mean a balanced recipe. Number 9. Papa Murphy's. Papa Murphy's sold the idea that take and bake meant ultimate freshness. You do the final step, so it must be healthier. But once you slide that tray into your oven, reality hits. Many end up with soggy bottoms, uneven crusts, and toppings that dry before the base cooks. The chain's ingredients still come from pre-made dough mixes and pre-cut toppings, not kneaded or sliced fresh. It feels homemade only because you do the baking. That's the trick. The work shifts to your kitchen, while the product still follows factory rules. Here's the truth. The freshness promise is only surface deep. It's marketed as empowerment, but you're paying extra to finish what they started. When a company asks you to bake it yourself, it's not a gift, it's a gamble. Freshness turned into marketing cover for shortcuts. Frozen dough, processed cheese, sauces built for shelf life. Chains sell the word like it guarantees safety, but real quality doesn't need a slogan. It needs transparency you can see in the kitchen and taste in the crust. The safest pizza isn't the cheapest or the loudest. It's the one that shows its process, ingredients, and controls in plain sight. So the next time a menu shouts about freshness, look past the claim and check what's actually on your plate. Subscribe now and I'll show you what to avoid and what's actually safe.